Mankind Pharma, a reputed global pharmaceutical firm, has embarked on a groundbreaking environmental initiative titled Nurture Florest. In this one-of-a-kind agroforest project, we are giving living tribute to gynecologists across India. 3,300 gynecologists across India who have embraced this agroforestry project as a living tribute to their profession. Each sapling planted in Ayodhya by local farmers serves as an enduring homage to these esteemed professionals, their dedication towards women's health, and obviously continuing their positive legacy. In collaboration with Grow Billion Trees, Mankind Pharma will also support these farmers by providing 3 years of organic fertilizer support and irrigation system, facilitating weather management strategies for the years to come. Located at the Sri Ram Van Dham in Ayodhya, this forest will not only contribute to carbon sequestration but also provide a secondary source of income for these local farmers. This innovative approach aims to enhance soil fertility, water retention, and biodiversity while fostering sustainable agricultural practices. The Nurture Florest initiative exemplifies Mankind's Pharma unwavering commitment to environmental stewardship and fostering a sustainable future. By undertaking their noble endeavor, Mankind Pharma is setting a pioneer example for corporate social responsibility and environmental advocacy.
So hello ma'am, we are very thankful to you. Like in this hot summer season, you are still here. Your presence is quite remarkable. Let us know, how is your experience today?
It's extremely good. Thanks Pharma company, the Mankind, who initiated this Vriksharopan. बहुत अच्छा लगा कि
This is very nice and aggressive program. This is excellent program. Just to see the nature or just to save the nature.
बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव मैनकाइंड फार्मा की तरफ से। इधर ग्रीनरी की भी बहुत ज़रूरत है हमें इतने हॉट सीजन में, और बहुत अच्छा, बहुत शांति, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
Mankind is always serving to the humanity time to time. This is a very big joint venture. The Mankind Pharma with the help of Grow Billion Trees, हमने यहाँ पे श्री राम जन्मभूमि समर्पित अयोध्या धाम में वृक्षारोपण कार्यक्रम किया है।
ये जो मैनकाइंड फार्मा ने जो इनिशिएट लिया है अयोध्या को ग्रीन बनाने का, ये बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है मैनकाइंड फार्मा का। यहाँ पे हम 3,300 गायनाकोलॉजिस्ट ने जो ट्री लगाए हैं, जो कि फ्रूट ट्रीज़ लगाए हैं, ये ट्रीज़ यहाँ के एनवायरनमेंट को, मदर अर्थ को भी प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे। साथ ही साथ जो छोटे छोटे फार्मर्स हैं उनकी भी सेकेंडरी इनकम्स में यहाँ पे हेल्प करेंगे। सो ये बहुत जितना भी एनवायरनमेंट के अंदर पोल्यूशन है, एनवायरनमेंट, सो कहीं ना कहीं ये एनवायरनमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करने में बहुत हेल्प मिलेगी। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच मैनकाइंड फार्मा फॉर Go Green initiative.
On the occasion of Environment Day, with the help of Grow Billion Trees, Mankind Pharma has contributed around 3,300 trees in honor of gynecologists of India. So we are really thankful for Grow Billion Trees for helping out with this thing, and we wish all the best to them.
When I was going through search of internet that how many NGOs or foundations are interested in planting trees, I came across only Grow Billion Trees who were planting forest. So we always needed a privatization of the entire forest which can be fruitful for Gurukul students and the other farmers out there, and specifically when it is Ayodhya, where there's a spiritual connection and also the connection with the motherland. So thank you Grow Billion Trees, excellent execution, and there were so many challenges because of hot weather, but you guys have tackled really very well. So Mankind Pharma is really very thankful to you, because 3,300 trees is not a small number, to be very honest. So thank you very much. We hope that you will be taking care of these plants for the upcoming 3 years, and we are looking forward for a long-term association.
It's such a great initiative. It will not only contribute towards the environmental sustainability, but it will also help the students and the residents of this Gurukul.
Yeah,
so really thanks a lot for your
Thank
initiative.
you.